today we have come to one of those very difficult situations in Azosi. Here is an elderly lady who is a widow for last 25 years. She has two grown-up sons. Very unfortunate, one son was met with an accident and has totally lost his balance. Other son, who was working and having some situation, has now to go dialysis twice a week. We were referred, this matter was referred to Street Providence, and our, our, our volunteer Arthur and all, we came over here to see how we can help them. We have now given them a ration, we have given them also some amount, and our managing trustee has also assured that every month we will try to give something, so that it's such a difficult, no other help is there. Her two grandchildren, fortunately, they are studying, one in 10th standard and one in 11th standard, and the situation is such. Our appeal is to our volunteers, our benefactors. This is the work we are doing, and this is how your help is requested and appeal to keep continuing and be generous and open-hearted that you all have been and supporting Street Providence. Thank you.
बाबा दोघंही पूत गेले बरं ना शिक आहे दोघंही त्याक झालं ॲक्सिडेंट आणि एक झालं आई सारखं चड बरं ना आं ताकाय आतां पयशे जाय दोतोरागेर वयचे हाडपाक व्हरपाक पयशे जाय तेगेर चेडूं भुरगीं आहाय तांकांय जाय हेल्प इस्कुलाक घायलो आहाय कितें कोणें दिवपाचें म्हाका
तुजें नांव कितें माय?
फातिमा
फातिमा आणि कामांक कोण ना? कोण ना?
कामाक कोण ना
ओके. आणि सद्याक तुका काय आधार ना? आधार ना. ओके. तो ये तुजी अपील की मातशें कोणाक ये तुमी आनी रावता हुंय तुमी आतां ये
रावता तोंटे
आजोसी. ओके. मार्कीस आणि फ्रांसीस पयलो कामांक आसतलो?
वयतालो एक वयता
अच्छा. आतां जायना, बंद पडला. अच्छा. आनी मार्कोसाक एक्सिडंट जावन मागीर आतां तो बसना.
12 वर्स 13 वर्स
बरें, ठीक आहे. ओके. ते दोन तुजी नात ती हेचे तर खंयचे क्लासीन शिकता?
यशस्वी आहा आनी
इकराय. तो तेंचे फीज बा कशें फारीक करता?
हांव दिल पयल्या फी आलोली 1,500 घेताली फीचे ते हांव घेयले म्हणटकीर हांव फारीक करताली.
ओके. आनी युनिफॉर्माक पयशे बा जाय पडटले?
मागीर युनिफॉर्म करपाक म्हाका कोणें दिलोली. युनिफॉर्म पुरपदे लुगोट दिलोलें हांवें शिंवलोलें. आतां त्याक हांवें ती पयशे फारीक करूं हांवें म्हळ्यार युनिफॉर्म शिंवपाक दिल्या आनी एडमिशना पयशे 4,000 4,300 अशें कितें भरले आनी दिवपा जाय म्हाका दिलो नाय.
ठीक आहे.
तेका गायला ते म्हणून शिकवता पयशे दिलो न्हू येयले ते
ओके.
क्लास पयशे दिलो मागीर थिंग मेळ्ळे ताका फार्मा कॉलेजी आनी मागीर ते आपूण थिंग वयता म्हणून लागले.
बरें.
तुजी सावत कशी आहा? तुजी सावत आतां
सावत बरी ना न्हू जाणाय वखद घेवन आहा.
Today is 11th of July 2024. We are with Arthur and we came to visit this family. We picked up information through our volunteer who runs our healthcare bank in GMC that so and so family was there. Basically there are two middle grown up sons. One is on dialysis and not married. The other gentleman is having a psychiatric issue and he needs to take medication. His wife has passed away. He has got two children going to school and they have an elderly mother who basically is running the show by herself and she's growing old. They get some assistance from neighbors, from friends. People have been helping them. They have some assistance from the local church authorities also, which has been going on. But due to rising prices, due to rising medication, due to rising bills, it's going to get difficult for them. So Arthur had come here, I presume 15 days back. And he looked into the matter, he understood the matter and he came back to our office and we came today after a few days. basically he has the dialysis on his neck, which is, I presume and assume, is a little painful, so it needs to go to his hand, and that needs to be done privately. So the government will give you, otherwise they'll have to do it on 27th of August, which is going to take time. So we have assured him that once he gets the letter, we'll get this dialysis which is doing here to his hand, and we'll pay for the bills. They have flooring of their particular kitchen.
Kitchen,
Kitchen is not in good shape, so we will look into that matter also. And since there are 5 of them, their living expenses is not something, because she just gets 2,000 rupees dole and some other donations here and there. So we have given them a commitment that every month we will send through Arth a ration bag and a packet where a substantial living expenses, and we will keep an eye on them for a year at least to see how best we can support. It's either poverty or it's something which I also cannot explain and you also can understand. But if you feel that you would like to help us, or you would like to help them, or be part of this project where we are going to work with this family for the next 1 year, you are free to contact us, and we feel that we will be able to stand with them for a year. Because we are already in this line. So it was basically due to our volunteer Anna, who works in GMC every day distributing free diapers, that she came across this patient who was in GMC. She called us, but we could not respond immediately, but we have taken the matter up. So Anna, we appreciate you, Anna Gracious, right?
Yeah.
Anna Gracious, we appreciate you keeping an eye on people like this in GMC while you distribute diapers, and that's our job, to see how best we can connect the poor from GMC or from hospitals to the reality on the ground. So please do support us as we take care of such people.
हांव आतूर डिसूजा एक्टीव व्हॉलंटियर ऑफ स्टेट प्रॉविडन्स. आमकां थोडे दीस जाले एना ग्रेशियसान आमकां एक लीड दिले. एक फामील आसा आनी तांचें सिट्युएशन बरें ना म्हणून, तर आमी हिंगासर येयले पळोवपाक, आनी पळोवंक गेल्यार ती जाणटेली माय आसा आनी ताजी 2 जाण चेडे आसा. एक मार्कूस आसा आनी एक फ्रांसिस्को आसा. आनी फ्रांसिस्को मार्कुसाक जाली 13 वर्सां, ताका एक्सिडंट जालो, ताका उडयलोलो. आनी जेन्ना ते एक्सिडंट जाले उपरांत ताजे मेंदवाक मार बसलो, आनी तो आतां तकलेन सारको ना म्हणून ताका पळोवचें पडटा. आनी आतां हालीं अशें जालां की फ्रांसिस्कोक तोय कामाक वयतालो म्हणून सडनली ताका तेजी किडनी फेल जाली, आनी आतां तो डायलिसिसाचेर आसा. डायलिसिसाचेर आसा ते तो हिंगासर लागीं कांसावली तो डायलिसीस घेतात, पूण ताका हिंगासर गोमटेक दिता ताका. सो ते दोतोर म्हणूंक लागले की 3 म्हयन्या उपरांत ताका ब्लॉकेज जायत जाल्यार ताका प्रॉब्लम जातले म्हणून ताका हातीक ते शिफ्ट करपाक जाय. ते शिफ्ट करपाक ते GMC कडेन तांची डेट बरीच फुडें आसा, आनी दुसरें कोण करतलो पळय ते आपोलो हॉस्पिटल. सो आपोलो हॉस्पिटल करतलो जाल्यार ताका खूब खर्च आसा म्हणून आमकां सांगलें, आनी ती मातशी फाटीं फुडें जाली कित्याक आपणा कडेन घडना म्हणून. ताका लागून ती लोकांक आदार मागताली, अशी लोक दिताले ताका, पूण हो अमावंट आतां म्हाका दिसता चड सुबेज आसा. ताका लागून तेणी आमकां कॉन्टेक्ट केले. तर आमकडून जाता ते भशेन आमी करतले. आमकां जे भशेन लोक कोण पळय लोक आमकां आदार करतात ते भशेन आमी तांकांय आदार अशें म्हणजे तांकां पावतले अशें म्हणून आमी एक ही आमची आतां इच्छा आसा. तर आतां पळोवया आतां कशें कितें जाता ते. पळोवंक गेल्यार तुमी तेजें घर पळोवंक गेल्यार तेजें कुजीन बी सारकें बॅड स्टेटीन आसा. तर ताणें मागलां की आपणाक मातशें तें जाता जाल्यार मातशें तुमी पळोवया, कित्याक पावसा दिसांनी ताका म्हाका दिसता ते हेजी फूग मारता, उदकाची फूग मारता, आनी ते सगळे ओले जाता आनी ती सगळी माती वयर सरता. म्हणून ते आपणा कडेन जाता जाल्यार तुमचे कडेन हेल्प करूंक जातालें म्हणून आमकां अशें मागलें. म्हणून आमी आतां लोकांक हो आतां पत्तो एक अपील कशें करता.
We will do it. From our side, we will start immediately. But people have to support us to do it. It's not going to wait. We will go ahead immediately.
ओके. सो आमी आतां तें करूंक फुडें सरल्या, आनी तेच भशेन आमी लोकां कडेन मागता की तुमचे कडेन जाता जाल्यार आमकां आदार करचे, आनी त्याच प्रमाणे आमी तांकां पावतले म्हणून अशें धरून आमी असो एक अपील करता.